side, can you let us know a little bit more about like the service that you provide? I mean, like we'll discuss about like the market. We'll discuss about. I have many questions for you, but just like first, let's try when your customer hire you, you're first finding the ideal candidates. Do you do like interviews? How do you basically serve your customer following that?
Great question. So focused on the startups or the lack of resourced companies that we typically work with. If you're working with teams that are as small as 5 people and upwards of 35, maybe 50, most of the companies that we typically work with are in that 15 to 30 person range, typically. And you think about it, when you start talking about teams that small building a medical device, everyone has a purpose, right? And recruiting is not easy. Yes, it's my profession, but you have to keep in mind, I wake up every single day with a team and have nothing else better to do than interview, find people, design teams, give feedback, provide feedback, take in feedback, and learn what the market's telling us all the time. Like, it's just one big algorithm of human behaviors in an industry. That's basically the essence of my job. But when you then take that script of like, that's what I do all day, every day, and you go back into the medical device company that is building itself, well, 10 people, they have their own things that they have to do. They have manufacturing to worry about. They have clinical trials. Are the sites getting back to them? Is patient enrollment actually happening? As the CEO, you have all this stuff to do. You're raising money 80% of the time. You're having to prepare for board meetings. So the point is, I never also understood some of these companies that take a little bit of shortcuts here and there, who go throughout LinkedIn profiles, or I should say LinkedIn postings, and they all are so overwhelmed in building their technology company as is, but yet then they get 400 applicants through a LinkedIn process and they have to sort which ones work out. Or the other side of that is they don't do anything except look in their immediate network and they have 5 people that might be, and they all work, but some of them are gray, like, oh, I like him, I trust him, that might happen, but I think he can do it. And then it's not necessarily the best talent either, right? So there's always this balance that you have to look at. What we do is we alleviate that white noise, high volume effort of, okay, you're a 10-person startup company right now. You need number 11 that's going to be crucial to whatever process or phase that you're in at. What we will do is we will source the candidates. We will make a very clear and detailed presentation. We'll present their resume. We do something called a candidate memo, where we spend hours with that candidate learning about, are they right for the role and technology that our client is, that we're recruiting for, so that by the time that we make this candidate presentation, it's not really like what do you think? Do you like this person or not? It's like, no, we know what you're looking for. We did a kickoff call together. We have all the information that we need, at least up front. We're recommending you interview this person. And then we go through that and we do all the logistics behind that. We make it all easy. So, they're not dealing with, is this person available between 3 and 5 on Thursday?